May ibon, oh. Oh. Ayun, oh. Pungkan, lemon. Sunkiss ito. Ito pungkan. Pungkan to. Ito. Yung ano ba, yung orange? Ay, ano to, pungkan? Ang laki naman. Pwede magkuha.
Malaki ba yung puno sa akin?
Oo nga. Malaki yung puno doon sa'yo. Ito malalaking bunga.
Sa akin, oh.
Ay, ganito ba?
Hindi naman yung
Lumiit ngayon? Nice yung lemon, oh. Daming bunga. Kinain ng langgam. Ah, may orange dito, Day. Ang daming bunga, oh. Ang daming bunga. Day, ang daming bunga, oh. 2 puno. Yung lemon. Ang daming lemon. Ang ganda naman ng lemon. Ang daming lemon, oh. Daming bunga. Ang cute. May hilaw. Mayroong mga hinog. 2 puno. 2 puno daw. Ang cute naman. Orange yata itong isa. Ito, lemon. Tingnan da, ang lalaki. Ay, manghipo ta, pwede. Hindi bawal. Ang dami da. O, tingnan mo, ang lalaki. Tingnan mo, oh. May ibon kanina dito. Sa sobrang dami, hindi naubos. Oo. Dito, ang dami hindi naubos ng ibon. Daming bunga, eh. Orange. This one orange. Oo. Yeah. Oo, have also, oh, linobet.
It's the bird.
Nice.
We need plenty of lemons, but there's too many. There's still too many for us on the tree.
Which one is lemon? That one?
Yes.
That one is orange?
Orange.
Yes.
Yeah, different. Thank you very much. You like lemon? Oo.
We've got
Kuha tayo.
plenty of both.
Mini on. A little only. Little only. Nanguha kami ng lemon. Nanguha kami ng lemon. Ay, orange pala ito. To lemon, I get. Ay, orange. This one, orange. Oo. This one, lemon.
Yes.
Mini. Looking orange. lemon. Lemon this one.
Big orange, this one, and this tree here. Quite big ones, but they're
Is
just,
it fruit?
it's finished now.
Finished.
So this one's still there.
To I get to.
Have you seen the pawpaw?
It's small. Mine is big. that big. But only flowers.
Maganda. Nice lemon here. Oh, many fruits. Thank you very much.
That's okay.
Yeah.